Hello students and my dear viewers, this is Professor Dr. Moina Kamul from, of course, you can see the surroundings, Dr. M. Kazi, Institute of Chemistry, University of Sindh, Jamshoro. So I'm back here again with the same topic, that is we were discussing ceramics. So I thought that I must continue with the series of ceramic series again, and I must go further on now with a few more things, more interesting aspects of ceramics, right? So today I would like to explain you the raw materials after going through the different things that were we discussed the types. First I introduced you, then the types, then of course the classifications and everything we did very nicely. So now we are going to find out that what raw materials are used to make ceramics, right? So three ingredients namely are very important to note down, that is clay, number 1 silica, number 2 and number 3 feldspar. These are all mixed together finally, and what would be the percentage? 50% is clay, 50% is clay, silica filler minus 25% it's quartz, right? And whereas feldspar as a fluxing agent is used, it is almost 25%, and it binds the aluminum silicates like you can say aluminosilicates like sodium, potassium and calcium, right? So now I would like to tell you more something about the common raw materials that are basically used. What are the common raw materials that are basically used, right? So they are further divided into three categories according to their types, that is category, purity in percent, that is percent purity, and materials. So the category wise, the first category is crude materials, right? What are the crude materials? These are almost variable, right? They are what type of materials are included in this? Clay, bauxite, natural ball clay and bentonite. These are the the first category. If there you will categorize them, this is the first category, right? So now the next category of common raw materials include industrial minerals, right? These are refined crude materials, and these are when you look for their percent purity, they are almost 85 to 98%. What type of materials are included in them are, for example, pyrophyllite, talc, feldspar, bauxite, zircon and rutile, dolomite and kyanite and wallstonite. These are, and glass sand. This is also one of the very important, right? And if you go to the third category, that is the it is under this section of the categories, it's industrial inorganic chemicals. They are greater than 99.9%, right? They are greater than 99.9%. What type of materials are included in them? These are calcined alumina, silicon carbide, silicon nitride and calcined ferrites and fused alumina. So these were all the common raw materials that are included, and I explained you there are three basic types that are, so you are supposed to learn them, right? And you are supposed to have them in detail and memorize them in detail, right? I have just given you the the main key points, and please write it down in the in some detail so that you will be able to get good marks. I hope you like this today's brief lecture on raw materials used for ceramics. Now please go through this topic nicely, because it was short and very easy to understand. See you in my next video. I hope you are following my videos very nicely, and soon I'm going to be uploading the what you can say, this your assignment that will carry marks and that will be added into your exams. So please stay in touch, because that your understanding is my first priority, right? This is the commitment between us. So stay connected and keep learning, keep watching, and I would appreciate if you will continue like that.